Hello, we are Team Seagulls, and we're presenting our app Cohortinate, which provides UWaterloo students with a way of deciding their pre-course enrollment selection based on their peers. Upon successfully logging in, we're brought to the home screen where I can view the courses I'm currently taking, courses that I've shortlisted for next term, as well as courses that I'm interested in. I can discover more courses on the following screen, where I see courses that are popular with my friends, courses that I've recently searched, and courses that are trending among everyone at UWaterloo. I can view the course details by clicking on this image here, and I can see the general information such as description, the course prerequisites, as well as friends who are currently enrolled for this term and friends that have shortlisted this for the next term. I decide that I want to express my interest in this course, so it's been added to this list. I can also search for courses manually. I decide to select a filter with a specific course code CS and narrow my search by clicking down on CS333. And I can see the description, prerequisites, and the usual details. Let's have a look at the schedule. We can switch between the current semester to the next semester. And we can also look at the friends who are currently enrolled this term. And we see their names as well as an icon that will navigate us to the Facebook Messenger to message them. And I decide to shortlist this course, and it has been added to courses for the next term section. I can also look at all of my friends here, and I can view their profile by clicking on there. And I can view the courses that they're currently taking this term and courses they're taking, they plan to take next term. And again, there's a way to navigate to the Facebook Messenger to message specific people. When course enrollment results are finally out, this is how the home screen will look like. It shows you a text here that asks to confirm your course enrollment results. And I decide that I will be returning for next term, so I specify yes. And now I can deselect or keep the following courses that I have. I can add more courses that weren't in the list before. And now I want to confirm my selection. However, I must only select at most 6 courses. So I deselect the following courses, and now I confirm. Now we see that the list has been updated to the specific semester. And I can also look at the course details that have changed for this mode. Now we see the course details that are pertaining to the next term, as well as the ability to message the class through Facebook Messenger, and also the ability to remove this course when appropriate. That's all. Ultimately, our goal was to provide students with capabilities to make course selection decisions based on what their friends are taking and keep them in touch after course enrollment results are out. Thank you so much for your time.